Hi there, partner. Name's Connor from up north. I have the biggest farm in my region, livestock, and a darn tootin' cornfield.
Is that so? Name's Martin. I have the biggest farm in the South. And livestock too.
All right. The question is, which came first, the chicken or the egg?
The chicken came first, of course.
It was the egg.
You got any proof for it?
Actually, I do. Right here. The chicken had to evolve from its ancestors to be put in the egg before the chicken egg was created. The egg is just how the chicken sees life.
The chicken had to evolve, but had to evolve to lay the eggs.
You're wrong. But the egg had to be laid before the chicken was created. It's just simple common sense. The chicken can't just be born like a man, but it has to be in the egg first.
That's silly. The chicken came first.
The egg came first.
That's silly. The chicken came first.
The egg came first.
You know the chicken
came first.
The chicken